Break ID number 1104. 2017 Gold Label Baseball 2-box break. So here's the alphabetical list. And this was a buy one get two free, so I've already tripled the spots. Should be a very good chance of some free spots here when you match your favorite team. And go. And there you go. Joe L.Y. gets a free spot by getting his Cubs. All right, here we go. Brad wants a Bregman frame. We have pulled a Bregman frame out of this product. Somebody would put it on eBay and it actually just sold a couple days ago. I don't remember what it was serial numbered or what it sold for, but with a Nike patch. The patch cards out of here are case hits, and I haven't seen any autographed yet. I'm not sure if there are. David wants Kareem, yeah. That might be tough. Wow, no parallels yet. Here's one, blue. Strasburg to 150. And the frame. Well, if anyone can do it, we can, right? Black parallel frame. Trey Mancini. 1 of 75. Not bad at all. And one of the short print parallel versions. Baltimore. Bradley. DA. A gorgeous card. We've recently sold one of these also that wasn't a parallel. Sold pretty well. This is the black one. It's not Bregman, but get your money back. Yes, you can. Judge rookie. Real stingy on the parallels. There's a Judge black parallel. And a blue. Miguel Cabrera to 150. And the frame. Jake Thompson to Philadelphia. Russell, MA. All right, that's it for that one. We're down to almost nothing in those other ones. 2 preferred and 2 box break, and 3 XR and Origins 4 box break.